would like to talk to you about a great website from the Georgia Aquarium. And if you look up here is the logo, and down here your eyes just kind of cover right here and right here, and you can see it just captivates you that the little boys and their mom are looking at sharks, and sharks are a pretty big feature of aquariums, so that really gets your attention. And if it didn't already, then over here it says in bright bold letters, sharks are here. And right below that in a big yellow box says get tickets. And I think that's really well done because the yellow captures your attention, especially on this dark blue background. And it makes it very obvious that if you want to get tickets, you just click here. And if that wasn't clear, then there is another one up here in the top right. A lot of websites I've noticed, it's kind of hard to find exactly how to get tickets or where to go, and Georgia Aquarium makes it really easy. And actually, if you click it, they carry that yellow over as well to, first you got to go through the little COVID procedure and read all of that, but they carry the yellow over to selecting the day, and they just make it really user-friendly. So I think that that's really great. Back to their homepage though, again, it's just such a great, enticing front page. And then at the top, where it says Georgia Aquarium, they have a few links, webcams, buy membership, login, and so on. Well, I think that these are all pretty important, but they tend to be a little smaller font size than these down here, and so that kind of shows me that these are the more important links. And to me, they go in order. So the first link that somebody would probably click is this visit, and that shows you the obvious things. Tickets, again in that yellow. Tickets, membership, different special offers, different encounters, and then visiting, planning, and information. And actually, if you go to the side, what do you know? This lights up yellow too, and the book now is yellow too. So I think that that's pretty neat that they carried that over and made it very obvious, whether you realize it or not, your brain knows that that's where you should click, and that's pretty important. So they've carried that through. Now, if you've never been to the Georgia Aquarium, they place a pretty big importance on informing and educating their guests, not only to enjoy their experience, but also to learn about the animals. So I think it's pretty fitting that right next to visit is animals. So over here you can see all the different species, and you can see the exhibits, so you know what you'll see before you even go. And if you were interested, say you were a homeschool parent or a teacher or someone who just loved animals, you can click any of these links and find out more about them. So let's just click manta ray. And we can see the picture, we can confirm that we're on the right page, and there's a video right here to the side, and again it's yellow, and everything is just very thorough, very interesting, more additional links and things like that. So that's super cool for anyone who might be interested. And then following after that is programs. So pretty fitting, after the animal and exploring their exhibits and all about them comes the education tab and volunteer and community, different outreach and things like that. So then after that is the research and conservation, news and events, and support. Now these last three are all very important, but I would say that probably these first three and probably these first two are the most clicked links. So I think it's very fitting that on the homepage, these first two links are right above the main captivating title, and pretty easy to catch our eye too. So overall, I think that the Georgia Aquarium is a really well done website. I think that it's not only captivating visually, but it's also really easy to navigate between the yellow boxes, between being able to just hover over the links and see them before you click and navigate away. I think it's just really well done, and I hope you think the same. Thank you.